has a water bottle that is partially filled with water, and here's some olive oil. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna pour the olive oil into the water bottle, mix up the water and the olive oil, and then he's gonna just put the water bottle down and see what happens. So he's pouring the olive oil in. That's probably good. Make sure you close it tight to not make a mess. And then this is a very easy experiment that you could perform at home too. So he shakes it up. You can see that the olive oil and the water are very mixed together right now, but we'll see if that's still the same after 5 minutes.
So it's already been about a minute. You can already see that the oil is starting to separate from the water after just 1 minute. All right, as you can see, the oil has separated from the water after 5 minutes, and it is right now floating on top. This is a simple, awesome, and easy experiment that anyone could do. All you need is oil, water, of course. And thanks for tuning in with Contra Costa Student Science Expedition. All right, so the reason that the oil and the water do not mix is because water is a polar substance, and oil is a non-polar substance, which causes them to repel each other. And the reason that the oil sits on top of the water is because it's less dense, so it will float on it. So that is the reason why oil and water do not mix, as we can see in the water bottle example.
So a real-world application of this experiment can be seen with oil spills in the ocean. So you hear news about it all the time, about a big oil leak that goes over the ocean. So the reason the oil just stays on top, as Beck said, was because it's non-polar, so it doesn't dissolve in the water, and it's less dense, so it will just float on top of the water. And this will just cause it to spread out on top of the water, which is dangerous to wildlife because it just stays afloat instead of dissolving in the water. So this makes it difficult because then we have certain ways to try to clean up the oil, but it's definitely a mess and it's dangerous to wildlife.